filming. Stop filming me. Stop filming me. I have a stick full of dead leaves. I can be dangerous.
Ow.
As Tony demonstrates.
How not to climb a tree.
Tony demonstrates fernophilia. Oh.
This is all poison ivy.
Don't worry, I'm a gynecologist.
You're a what?
I'm a gynecologist, don't worry.
Oh, I didn't know you had your hand in that too. What does it taste like? Was that good?
A little bland.
I'm feeling like the wiser man for not having done that. Yeah.
See, I give back.
Oh, you give back. Is that like recycling?
Pretty much.
The earth giveth and the earth taketh away.
Pretty much, yeah.
I wonder when the earth is going to take us away all the dog poop in this park.
How'd you do it?
You try, Wed.
Humans.
Hey, watch it break.
I think it's funny. I'm getting some hang time on this one.
Y'all are dumbasses.
This video is called One with Nature.
You didn't fight back. Kick its ass.
It's like the end of Freddy vs. Jason when they're slowly pulling parts off of each other.
It's a random dog walking down the street.
I got wood. I'm on marijuana. So this is how you look to me. Tough break, man.
Yeah.
Hey, you might want to get that checked.
Yeah. It's got polyps on it.
And it kind of fell off. That ain't right.
Gout of the dick.
It's growing vegetation.